Here we are with the Blade TMA unit mounted to an Iveco Eurocargo cab chassis. Tested and approved by MASH standards, this attenuator will future-proof your fleet. Since Innov8 Equipment introduced the Blade TMA to Australia, the attenuator has been nationally recommended for use by Ausroads and has been formally approved by state road regulators in New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland and Western Australia. It's also been approved by the New Zealand Transport Agency. Come and let me show you what makes the Blade TMA so unique. Here we are at the back of the Blade. This is the impact plate. If it gets hit from the left or right, the impact plate will absorb the energy and center it. It's also worth noting that the warning patterns on the Blade are legal according to the National Heavy Vehicle Regulator standards. Once the attenuator gets impacted with a certain amount of G-force, the H-beam slides forward. There are a total of 12 blades that are key components to this design. On the driver's side, we have 2 blades on the top and 2 blades on the bottom. It is mirrored on the passenger side. There are another 2 internal blades on both the driver's and passenger side. One on the top and the other on the bottom. Once the impact plate has been hit, the 2 internal blades on each side will cut through this section, which is the H-beam. These blades then continue to slide forward, cutting through the aluminium and pushing it away from the crashing vehicle. This is designed to prevent any crash debris from flying through the windshield and minimize risk for the occupants of the colliding vehicle. If the attenuator has been hit with enough force that the colliding vehicle is still traveling forward at this point, the last line of defense is this truck stopper. The great thing about the Blade is with a small impact, you don't have to replace the whole unit. You can just replace the smaller parts, saving you time and money. In the event of a large impact, any G-force that goes into this attenuator moves forward in a smooth movement, which limits the G-force spike of the impacting vehicle. Limiting this spike is important to reduce neck injuries and being ejected from the vehicle. Now let's have a look at how easy it is to operate the Blade from the safety of the cab. So lowering the cushion's really easy. All you have to do with this handheld controller is press the power button and the button for down. Likewise, if you want to stow the attenuator, simply hold the button with the upwards arrow. Although the Blade TMA is easily mounted to any truck, we choose at Innov8 Equipment to mount it to the Iveco Eurocargo. The comfort of the cab and the Euro 6 environmental rating makes this vehicle a clear choice. The Blade TMA mounted to the Eurocargo cab chassis also comes with unlimited idling hours warranty. As you can see here, we have an arrow board and VMS board easily mounted to any vehicle in a configuration that can be custom designed. These can also be safely and easily controlled from inside the cab. Engineered to absorb impacts up to 100 kilometers an hour, the Blade TMA is the first choice for those serious about safety and minimising potential risk for workers and other road users. It's already proven itself on Australian roads for preventing serious injury with minimal damage. Innov8 Equipment are leaders in product safety and sustainable solutions. Get in touch with us today to find out more about the Blade TMA.